Do you want to apply eyeshadow but don't know how to? Well, today I'm going to show you some very easy ways in which you can apply eyeshadow and create a glam look in just a few minutes. Step 1. Cleanser. Apply a gentle cleanser on your face. Make sure you don't rub your face harshly. Now, take a soft towel and gently cleanse your face. Step 2. Moisturizer. I'm gonna take the nickel-sized amount of my moisturizer. Since I have combination skin, I always make sure to apply my moisturizer after washing my face thoroughly. I will gently apply it all over my face and neck. Step 3. Use an eye primer. Just like a face primer, eye primer is a thing and quite an important one. I am using this primer and I will gently apply it all over my eye. This eye primer will create a smooth base for the makeup to easily glide on. I will now let it dry for a few minutes. I will use my concealer on this primer. I'm using this concealer brush to spread it evenly. If you have oily lids, then you should definitely apply a primer. Step 4. Choose basic shades. After the primer, we will choose the shade of the eyeshadow.
I'm using this basic brown shade to create a casual look.
All you need to do is apply on your crease and blend it nicely.
Choose eyeshadow shades like brown, pink and peach that can help you to create everyday looks.
Step 5. Using the eyeshadow brush.
Now I will start with the lightest shade of peach.
Glide the eyeshadow brush on my eyelids starting from the inner corner of my eyes and stretching it outwards. The inner corner of your eyelids should always be the starting point to apply your eye makeup. Every time you glide your brush on the shade, make sure to tap the brush to get rid of excess product. Step 6. Using the blending brush. I will now glide the blending brush on the mid-tone shade and apply it above the crease line. This time I will start from outward and smoothly glide it inwards. The mid-tone can be any shade from neutral to the one that suits your outfit. You can stick to peach, pink or light orange for a safe bet.
Here I am using light orange shade.
Make sure you're picking the right brush too. For instance, an angled brush can be used for precise application and a feathered brush for more casual coverage. Step 7. Time to Colourpop the bottom lash line. Now that my eye makeup on the eyelids is done, it's time to move to the lower lash line. I will take a tiny amount of mid-tone shade on the brush. Starting from outward, I will gently glide the brush inward. Add a touch of kohl close to the waterline of my lower lash for a more glam look. Step 8. Use mascara. It's time for the last thing in our eye makeup. I'm using this volumizing mascara to add length and volume to my lashes. I will gently glide it in an outward motion like this to make my lashes bigger and bolder. Now, I will just use the tip of my mascara to separate the lashes from sticking out. I will apply some translucent powder under my eye to mattify the skin and get rid of any excess oil. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Moisturizer. Step 3. Use an eye primer. Step 4. Choose basic shades. Step 5. Using the eyeshadow brush. Step 6. Using the blending brush. Step 7. Time to Colourpop the bottom lash line. Step 8. Use mascara. All set now. I hope you liked today's video. Let me know how it looks. Do share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.